Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Ferrari 488 GTB made by Bburago. This car is in white color and it looks stunning. I also gave order for different versions of this car, so I will make a review in the next videos. This particular model is here for a purpose. I want to customize this car, change the wheels, make a two-tone color, maybe adding some details in the engine, change the exhaust pipes. We'll see about that. I will make a video and I will post it. So without further ado, let's proceed with the unboxing. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. The car looks very nice. The paint job is very good, very clear. Not like the red Ferraris that the color is not so clear. This car is very nice. It looks stunning. I didn't expect this car to be so nicely done and so nicely detailed. I really like the look of it. I hope you enjoy the video and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.